So this is my personal Taylor 214. It's the Koa model. It's got the cutaway. It's got the ES2 electronics. Really nice, usable guitar, very functional. Throw it in the back of the convertible, go out and play for the evening. It's all great. But something special about this gets ignored by a lot of folks, and that's the ES2 electronics. Some folks don't like the ES2 electronics. They kind of struggle with it a bit. But there's 3 things you need to know to make it work really well for you. We're going to talk about those right now. First thing to talk about is, of course, our control knobs up front. There's 2 EQ knobs and 1 volume. Volume's on the outside. Volume's pretty obvious. The EQ, though, takes a little explanation. There's only a bass and a treble. And this is because it's mid-balanced. So if the little arrows or indicators are pointed straight down, you have a flat response. If you push them both in the same direction, you're going to start making a little scoop where the middle stays fixed, so the mid-range stays fixed, but we've raised the bass and we've raised the treble. We can go to the other side, of course, and we can boost the mids in that case by suppressing the bass and the treble. Pretty cool, right? Makes it very simple, and of course you can convert those around and move them around to taste. But that's the basic functionality. That's pretty cool. Every so often when you're playing with the electronics, like often when I'm playing here, I'm going to get some kind of a wolf note, a bit of a howl. Well, it's actually a resonance problem because my speaker system is too close to my actual guitar, and so I end up getting an in-phase resonance condition, and it just sounds like crap. It's okay. Taylor thought of this. They have good engineers. Inside here, you can see it if you look in through the sound hole, you'll see the circuit board for the ES2 system. There's a little white switch on it. You can toggle that switch and change the phase. Find the position that works for you in the condition that you're in. It's just a phase change, but a really great deal in that it lets you on the fly adjust the guitar to your surroundings. And that's really helpful. The third thing is something that probably scares a lot of folks, and it's down here in the bridge. If you look in the bridge just in front of where the string pegs are, you're going to see 3 little circles that have an Allen screw in them, or Allen key in them. I guess it's an Allen screw. And so if you take an Allen key, insert it in that, you can loosen the pressure that's being applied to the piezoelectric pickups. And this is going to totally change the way the piezos sound. So if you're not liking the way your guitar is sounding, something's maybe a little bit too bright or a little bit too pushed that the EQ doesn't solve for you, all you do is adjust the bridge. It takes just a couple of seconds. It's the smallest Allen key usually in a block of Allen keys. Just takes a couple seconds. Don't make big motions, maybe an 1/8 of a turn at a time. Find the sweet spot that lets you get the sound that you like. Really great deal. And thanks so much for the engineering that's gone into the Taylor. It works really well, and it gives you a lot of freedom to adjust the guitar setup to exactly what you like.